This simple side hustle changed my life. Today, we're diving into the world of print on demand and Etsy and how this dynamic duo allows me the financial freedom and time freedom to live wherever I want, do whatever I want, whenever I want. If you're curious about passive income streams and a flexible schedule, be sure to subscribe below and keep watching. Basically, print on demand is a business model that allows you to create custom products without having to deal with the inventory, the printing, or the shipping. With print on demand, you design the products and the print on demand company does the rest for you, so you do not have to touch a single product ever. Think of it like having your own online store filled with awesome merchandise, but you do not have to worry about the manufacturing process at all. It's seriously a game changer for those looking for a passive income stream, and it also gives you the flexibility to go wherever you want. I can travel whenever, wherever I want without having to be bogged down with inventory and making all of my orders because the printing company does all of that for me. I use Printify to fulfill my orders. Printify has a variety of really great quality products. I mostly sell their t-shirts. Their platform is super simple to use. You just click on the product you want, upload your design, scale and position. You can even preview your product and then click Save Product. Now let's talk about the platform where all the magic happens, Etsy. Etsy is an online marketplace that is perfect for anyone looking to turn their passion into an income. Etsy allows handmade products, digital products, and even print-on-demand products, as long as you disclose that information within your Etsy listing, and in most cases, I choose Printify. Setting up a shop on Etsy is pretty simple, and in following videos, I'm going to be showing you that exact process. Basically, with print on demand, what you do is you create a design digitally on your iPad or your laptop. You can use platforms such as Canva to create a design. You then put that design on a t-shirt mockup, you list that t-shirt on Etsy, and when someone purchases it, Printify handles the rest. They process the order, they print it, they package it, and they ship it directly to your customer. And before you let the design process overwhelm you, you do not need to be a graphic designer or an artist to be successful with print on demand. One, there are places that you can actually purchase designs to use on your print-on-demand products. For example, Creative Fabrica. They offer thousands of graphics that are for print-on-demand usage. Just make sure to tweak them a little bit in Canva to make them your own. I have a code for 10 free downloads in my description below. And two, Simple Sells. My husband actually has an entire shop filled with text-based products, and they do really well. So don't overwhelm yourself. Keep in mind that Simple sells. Now here's where my personal story comes in. I took the leap and got started on my own Etsy print-on-demand products, and very quickly my life transformed. Within 1 year, I was able to quit my teaching position. The following year, I moved with my family to Greece. With an optimized shop and designs that people loved, the income started flowing in. But what's even more amazing is the time freedom. Once everything's set up, the designs, the listings, the partnership with the print-on-demand company, it becomes quite passive. I can work on new designs when I feel inspired, but for the most part, my shops practically run on their own. If you're considering venturing into the world of print-on-demand and Etsy, here are some tips that can help set you up for success. Number 1. Niches and quality. Don't limit yourself to one niche. I like to say the more fishing poles, the more fish. I have hundreds of niches in my shops. I try my best to hit all different types of unique audiences. Then within those niches, you're going to create high quality, unique designs that stand out. Number 2, consistency. You need to be in your shop every single day. Keep your shop updated with fresh designs and follow the trends. Number 3, customer service. Provide exceptional customer service to build trust and get those great reviews. Number 4, optimization. Continuously optimize your product listings with relevant keywords. Thanks to the incredible combination of Etsy and print on demand, I am able to live the life I've always dreamed of. I have seen this happen for others over and over again, so I know that it can work for you too. Just remember that success does not happen overnight. but with hard work and consistency, you can make a difference in your life too. If you found this video inspiring or informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Feel free to ask me any questions in the comment section below, and until next time, keep creating and keep dreaming.